Shall we get graced before the meal?
Do we have to want food?
Ugh, so barbaric. Can you not restrain yourself around our generous host?
Don't hate on him. He's starving, you privileged witch.
Well then, I'm fairly hungry myself, but you don't seem to be.
Ladies, gentlemen, please, please, let us dispense with our conflicts. You only have so much time on this world. Why waste it with conflict?
Well worded, Joshua.
I'm very thankful for your saying so, Father. I am very excited to move along this evening. Such plans, such a long time coming. You all may think that you are very different, but you are all actually very, very important and very connected.
What do you mean?
Well, there's an ancient tale of Hallows Eve that you should all be familiar with.
Alright, just be quick.
Well, long ago, 4 children of God, 2 sons of Abraham, and 2 daughters of Lilith, a father, maid, tramp, and a witch, traveled together when they encountered a demon in the wilderness surrounded by a circle of salt.
A demon?
No such thing.
You'd be surprised. I've actually done a couple exorcisms in my day.
Are you sure?
Well, they spoke to the demon, who offered them a deal. If they ruined the salt around him, he would make them all immortal.
Why do you need them to do that?
What's so big about a circle of soul?
Salt is thought to contain foul spirits. Someone trapped this demon and he wanted out.
Shit!
So, tempted by the author, they all agreed to undo the circle. But the demon was cruel and clever, and tricked them. He made them immortal, but not unaging. Their spirits would remain in the world. However, their bodies would die and they would be reincarnated. When they discovered the treachery, they came together and punished the demon, trapping him away once again. But the demon promised that he would bring them all together again long into the future and bring his vengeance upon them after they set him free.
So what does this have to do with us?
A tale for dinner, I think. Please eat. We've all waited long, myself longer than you think. Please, go ahead, eat, enjoy.
What's the tramp?
I'm almost wanderer.
Wait, tramp, the father, maid?
And the witch. Just a story, everyone. Nothing to fear. I thought it was simply interesting to meet you all, the new sons of Abraham and daughters of Lilith, so to speak. Relax, eat, enjoy the wine. A toast to this Halloween, to the Hallows Eves of the past, and to many, many more Halloweens to come and celebrate. Though I suppose I should have mentioned that none of you would live to see them.